Good afternoon, everyone. I'm meteorologist Caleb Bagwandin. Thank you for tuning in. And time for the tropical update. We'll take a look at the Atlantic Basin, where we have Hurricane Danny out in the central Atlantic. We also have a vigorous tropical wave that is coming off the coast of Africa that may become our next named storm, which would be Erica. But we'll focus in on Danny because that's the active storm right now. And we'll notice in the last few frames of this imagery, starting to see it not as well defined as it was earlier today. So Danny is weakening, and it has come down to a Category 1 hurricane with winds of 90 miles per hour. It continues to move off to the west-northwest at about 12 miles per hour. It will continue to weaken to a tropical storm as it approaches the Leeward Islands and bring much beneficial rains to the island of Puerto Rico, which has been witnessing drought conditions. As we go even further out in time, it will weaken to a tropical depression as it approaches the Bahamas, so it may not even last as long as it gets closer to the U.S. Taking a look at the spaghetti plots, they are also in agreement with that west-northwest motion over time. And as it gets to the Bahamas, we start to see some of the models diverge and take it to the north, while some try to bring it into Florida. But it won't be much left of Danny as it continues to weaken as it approaches southeast Florida coastline. So for the rest of today, across the area, we'll see highs reaching into the low to mid 90s, where it'll be 93 in Inverness and 94 in Lakeland. So it will be hot and humid, and that will allow for scattered showers and thunderstorms to develop right along the sea breeze. So for the next 7 days, those rain chances will continue to be about 30 to 40% across the area, with high temperatures in the low to mid 90s. By the end of the week, we'll see those rain chances come up a little bit as moisture returns into the 50 to 60% range. Overnight lows will be in the upper 70s to 80 degrees as we work our way all the way into next weekend. When I come back, I will talk to you about our local weather in 10 minutes.